So yeah guys, artwork them ready up, you know, ready for sell. So them here are the bracelet them guys, you know what I mean? Yeah. All of them are right here, bracelet, all different type, you know. Can pick, choose and refuse, and we also have some more bracelet up here, so the famous old lady tongue, you know. Yeah, we have some nice ring, you know. The ring lovers them. And we also have some nice earring for the people who love earrings, you know what I mean? And up here so now we have some chain. The chain lovers them said speed, you know what I mean? Bracelet, the chain them, you know. Yeah man, whole heap of love guys, whole heap of work, you know. No little joke about it man, Isa. Take your time. Yeah man, so if you know look on the video, if you know go look on the video, or no look on the video, when you no look on the video, you can just link up if you don't like any artwork them, you see me? And make me know. And we can get it to you guys. You see me, if you get it to you, it's no problem. Yeah man, and we also have some other one in our back them here too, you know. Yeah man, we have some more heap more bracelet and them thing, man. Yeah man. Whole heap, you know. Whole heap a ring and stay so. Pick, choose and refuse, man. You know? Yeah man, and a wide variety of them, you know guys. So no can